Have you ever wondered what the Crossy Road chicken is running away from? Throughout the game, it runs non-stop, dodging cars, trains, and various other dangers. But before I tell you, hit the like button and subscribe before the chicken disappears from your screen. Most people believe it's just trying to cross the road, but there is a much darker theory. Some fans believe the chicken escaped from a truck that was taking it to a restaurant. That's why it never stops running, no matter the danger ahead. After all, it knows exactly what happens if it gets caught again. But what if it isn't running to get somewhere, but rather to escape a fate that is constantly chasing it?